All right, let's unbox the Insignia 5.1.2 channel soundbar with subwoofer and satellite speakers, which means Bluetooth wireless, and that's Bluetooth wireless also, but it will need power cords. Okay, and you can also compare this video to my other soundbar wireless speaker system from Ultimia. This was $149 at Best Buy with free delivery. Here's the back of it because I needed a USB cord. The latest greatest is these optical connections, but I got an older TV, so I needed the HDMI cord. It's $149. I think it was $80 off. Let's see what it looks like and how it compares to the other one I just got. Oops. Okay, as we'll see, this one's much bigger. Again, packaged well. That's the bass or subwoofer. Soundbar, a lot bigger. This is again the Insignia, which is the Best Buy. Okay, 2 speakers. And I think that's about it. And paperwork and cords. So packaged well. So here's the accessories. HDMI cord, power cords, speakers, remote. This comes with batteries and connectors. Connections, and paperwork. So we'll see how it turns out and how well it works. Okay, this is everything you get in the Insignia 5.1.2 channel soundbar with subwoofer and speakers, satellite speakers. 4 power cords, remote, HDMI cord. Instructions. Here's instructions and ways to hook it to the walls if you want. 2 little speakers. If you look, just the power cord, the pair button, the subwoofer, just the power cord, and the pair button. So there's no wires. The only wire is going to be for the power cord. And here's the subwoofer. You know, again, compared to my other video on the Ultimia, this is much bigger. $149. I paid $129 for the other one. So here's how you connect it. Power cord. And you got choices. I need the HDMI for my TV. That's why I bought this one. You got an optical, you'd have to buy the cord. USB, you'd have to buy it. Or the auxiliary, which you'd have to buy those cords. But this is what you get. $149 at Best Buy. It was $80 off with the Insignia. Thumbs up, share, subscribe, leave a comment. We'll hook it up and see how it goes. Okay, the 5.12 channel soundbar with subwoofer and satellite speakers. It's real easy to install. It's plug and play. So Here's the sound bar. I had to change it out to an auxiliary cable because my USB, because this is an old TV. This is a Sony Bravia, the original Sony Bravia. Wireless subwoofer with all you gotta do is power them up, and there's one speaker up there I put, one speaker down there. So you can hook it up with this. I had to go to Walmart, $10. I'll return this one. I used this one. Auxiliary cable was $10 because I couldn't use the USB because I have an older TV. But it's all right. It's not bad. There's the sound if you can hear it. And here's the instructions, real easy to understand. Or, you know, use the USB. If that doesn't work, you can go buy yourself an optical cable. If that doesn't work, you got two other different ways to plug it in, which is this, $10 at Walmart, or this, $10 at Walmart. Unfortunately, the USB wouldn't work on my TV. But other than that, Insignia 5.120 channel soundbar with a remote subwoofer and satellite speakers that are Bluetooth. Works pretty well. Gives good sound. It goes up to 100, if you can read it. That's 80, 82. That's 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. And mute. So, for $149, not too bad. It's not the greatest. And it's a 5.1.2 channel compared to, watch my other video on the other soundbar I got. And decide which one's better for you. Because actually, the other one only cost like a total of like $90. I paid $129. Then they said if you give them a decent review, they'd give you $40 back. So I did. They gave me a Target card for $40. So, if you've seen both, just make your own decisions. Okay, here's the remote. You can see this only gives you news, night.
I have a team of experts taking a proactive approach to help me be my healthiest. Our newest Centerwell location is welcoming new patients.
Music.
Senior primary care. It's about time.
Music. Movie.
Serving a community of people that need access to healthcare would not have happened if it wasn't for
you can mute it.
by Spectrum.
So if you like the content, thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, and share the information. Again, this is the Insignia 5.1.2 channel soundbar with subwoofer and satellite speakers. Actually, I think I like the other one better. It was cheaper, but it was a 7.1.